So today's mission is we're gonna see what $150,000 can get you here in Central Florida. There's a nice condo that I saw that came on the market. We're gonna go take a look at it. I'm looking at investment properties. So let's take a look. A lot of first-time buyers with 3.5% down, FHA. This is something that's very obtainable. You're looking at a down payment of around $5,000 to $6,000. That's something that if you really put your head down and work, if you're a realtor as well, that's one commission and a half, maybe not even a full commission, you know? So it's something that's obtainable. So let's take a look. So of course in Florida it's starting to rain just a little bit, but it's free car wash. So we're almost there. So of course the rain, but I've been here before. It's not bad at all. I like how the units open up to the outside. There's parking straight in the front, so you can see exactly where your car is at. It's not even giving me cheap vibes or anything like that, or low income, no. So it's not the energy out here. You know what's crazy? It's actually just stopped raining as soon as I parked. It's kind of like the spirits are talking, right? All right, so no, never with this rain, but I think we're pretty clear. All right. This guy's pretty smooth dog park, little passage area over here. Let's take a look. All right, so we come in, have your HVAC, filters, you know what I'm saying, right in the front. It's pretty strange, but if someone needs some repairs, it's right there for you. Sneakers, maybe mop, broom, nothing too special. It's decent. And you got your bedroom right here when you first walk in, which is pretty spacious. Woo! For $150, I mean, come on. Closet. You can make that work. And I like that you can see right outside your unit. You know exactly where your car is at, any foolishness going on. But this is a nice area. Winter Park is not, it's northeast, North Orlando. It's not like the west side or even the south side, you're okay. Wash and dry, come with the unit. I don't know how I feel about it being right here, but it's better than it being outside the unit, you know? So you gotta pick and choose your battles. It's a glorified studio. Say you have a lady with you, this is probably the men's closet, honestly, or some more storage space. You feel me? Not too shabby. Yeah, that's gonna be an issue with the doors hidden. But hey, more storage. Not bad at all. Coming in here. Yeah, that's annoying. But stuff like that you can fix. Get another light bulb right there. This needs to be attached, of course. There'll be an inspection report. I mean, this or an apartment, you know, for the price. $1,300 a month, $1,500 a month. Come on. Decent kitchen. Decent kitchen. Can make it obviously aesthetically more pleasing, new appliances, more updates, but if you got a sink, you can wash your dishes. It'll dry, you know. Entertain some guests. Put a formal table here. And yeah, you got your space. A desk, a couch, TV. You're definitely movable, definitely move around. This was really it for me too. This back outside right here. Being able to set something up, some green space for the dog. And you can clear this, you could, you know, clean it up. But I like the privacy of that, that's pretty dope to me. And of course, storage out there. I'm not going out there, it just rain, but you get the gist. See people got their chairs outside. I like the fact that the trees are there, so some privacy. But yeah, let us know what you think. Comment below.